Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGM Classic Cars.com here in Addison, Illinois. And today I have the iconic 1966 Ford Mustang convertible. This is a C code car, in which means it's a 289 V8 motor, automatic transmission, beautiful repaint on the exterior. As you can see, the body is nice and slick. I'm going to walk around the car to show you guys how nice and smooth and how nice this paint job is throughout this beautiful little red Mustang. Very nice and straight, folks. Chrome is very good on the car. Hood is excellent. Under the hood as well is a clean engine compartment. Nice factory black interior. Bucket seats, as you can see. Automatic on the floor, and you can see the air conditioning right there. No cracks in the dash as well. Interior's nice and clean throughout the vehicle. So is the trunk, and you guys can check that out at mgmclassiccars.com. Let's check under the hood really quick. It's an original 289 V8 motor, as you can see. Air conditioning and power steering. Factory stampings on the original C code as well, and does match the door tag. Let me fire this thing up really quick. It's been tuned perfectly. Nice and simple. Beautiful example for a 66 red automatic Mustang with a V8 in it. White top, plastic rear window, no rips or tears in the top, and it is a manual top. And it's very easy. One person can lift it and close it. Okay, there you have it, folks. The odometer showing 28,000 miles. I believe it's 128,000. It does run out perfect. Really, really nice and reliable. If you need financing, it's not a problem. If your credit score is between 600 and 739, you will need 10% down. And you will find the credit application at mgmclassiccars.com. You can fill that out there. For those of you who have a little better credit score, meaning 750 and higher, there's a no money down option. And you can find your application at lightstream.com. And that's if your credit score is 750 or higher. You can find it at lightstream.com. Well, there you have it, folks. Grab your pen. I'm going to give you my number in a second. If you're watching on YouTube, subscribe to my channel. I have over 100 beautiful hand-picked muscle classic cars throughout the country here in Addison, Illinois. If you're watching on YouTube, subscribe to my channel. If you're watching on Facebook, like it and share it. Okay, you got the pen handy? Well, if you need delivery, it's not a problem as well. We can have this beautiful red 66 Mustang delivered right to your driveway, insured for the purchase price of the vehicle. My phone number is 847-848-1850. Please text me your zip code and I'll get you a quote right away. Thanks for watching MGMClassicCars.com. Enjoy 2023.